All right, good afternoon, boys and girls. We're on lesson 69, comparing and ordering decimal numbers. So our objective for today is to compare times containing fractions of a second, and we're also going to compare two decimal numbers. We're going to order three or more decimal numbers from least to greatest. So those are our three things that we'll do today. But first, our math vocab. There is none, but I do want you to write down all the factors for the number 12, okay? And our joke of the day is what snakes are good at math? And they're called adders. Now, for a new concept, I wanted to show you guys a little video. I hope you guys enjoy it.
I have two gold coins that are shiny and round. One's 405 thousandths of a pound. The other weighs 410 thousandths. Which is the greater of my investments? To order them, I look left to right. Find the first place that's not alike. One's more than zero. The greater piece I hold is 410 thousandths of a pound of gold. Line up the decimal points vertically. Look left to right horizontally. Compare the greatest place that's different. The greater number will become apparent. I found two silver digging in the ground. One was 102 thousandths of a pound. The other piece was 99 thousandths. Which one contained the greater contents? To order them, I looked left to right and found the first place that was not alike. One's bigger than zero, so of the two, 102 thousandths was the greater value. Line up the decimal points vertically. Look left to right horizontally. Compare the greatest place that's different. The greater number will become apparent. A number line can help make visible the place value of any decimal. Between 0 and 1, divide it into tenths. In each tenth fits 10 hundredths. In each hundredth fits 10 thousandths. Each place value to the right is 10 times less. Line up the decimal points vertically. Look left to right horizontally. Compare the greatest place that's different. The greater number will become apparent.
All right. So basically, today what we're doing, we're ordering decimal numbers, and what we're like the video said, we're going to be ordering decimals and comparing them to see which one's greater. So in our example number one, we're going to compare 12.3 and 1.23. And like the video said, we want to line up the decimals, and you can see which one has a bigger number. Obviously, this is 12 and 3/10, and this is 1 and 23 hundredths. So because we have a bigger whole number here, this number is greater. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to look at these numbers and order them from least to greatest. So remember, we're going to line up the decimals. Okay, then we looked at the very left number, and since they're all the same, we all have ones here. Then we look at the next number. We have a 0, a 2, and a 1. Then we have to figure out, okay, which one's the greater of the three. Oh, we're going to order them from least to greatest. So if we look at the next number next to the decimal, we know that 0 is next, right? It's the least out of the three. Then we have 1, then we have 2. So this one would be the greatest, this one would be the least, and this would be in the middle. And that's what our answer is on the bottom. So here's your lesson practice for today. There's only 3 problems that you have to do. Make sure that you line your decimals up to make sure you know which one's which one's a greater number. All right. So if you have any questions, feel free to write those questions on the back, and we will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.